Dear Kat. Whew.
I've been thinking about life, overthinking every situation, and I feel the weight of it all. I've been living on the inside, stuck between an old life and one that I can see. I think it's changes. Time to turn.
I love you. And ito na yung face na makikita mo everyday for the rest of your life.
And it goes like na 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 na, yeah 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 yeah, na 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 na. It's what I'm living for. Na 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 na, yeah 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 yeah, na 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 na, yeah 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 yeah, na 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 na.
Hi, mahal. Thank you for everything. Tapos, thank you for taking care of our children and loving them as your own. Alam ko it took us a long time for us to get married, but I'm sure this will be forever for us. I love you.
And it goes like na 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 na, yeah 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 yeah, na 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 na. It's what I'm living for. Na 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 na, yeah 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 yeah, na 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 na, yeah 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 yeah.
Nagkakilala kami ni Kat sa school. Then actually, yung wife ng best man ko, siya yung nagpakilala sa amin dalawa.
Same group of friends. Tapos, ayun.
Tapos yun, naging best friends kami. Then niligawan niya ako. Sinagot ko naman after a few months.
All of our friends, circle of friends, parang napapansin na nila, parang may gusto sa'yo. Sige.
Ayun, she started courting me. Then nagustuhan ko naman siya. Ayun, sinagot ko na.
Tapos surprisingly, nag-propose siya sa akin birthday ko.
Ako na yung nag-propose kasi nakakaya naman niligawan na nga ako siya pag mag-propose. So, ako na yung nag-propose sa kanya sa Tagaytay. I look forward to every moment we will share. I will be there through all the laughs and hold you through all the tears.
First of all, thank you, Lord, that I am now marrying my best friend. And thank you for choosing me.
Magpapaligaw. Diba?
Held within your arms, carried through the night.
Mahal, thank you. Kasi yung dream wedding ko, inano mo pa din. I mean, tinupad mo pa din. Like, we're only planning for a small wedding. Pero, binigay mo pa rin yung lagi kong kinikwento sa'yo na, na wedding, garden wedding.
It's right in
Sana maging maligaya ka.
Habaan lang ang pasensya, yung mga away. Konting pag-usapan na mabuti.
Happy ako kasi nandito kayo na. Love you. Love you.
I love you, anak. Congratulations.
Congratulations. Big day.
you.
Held up to the light, I could finally see traces of divine coming over me.
I will promise you I will always be at your side. I promise you to see if you don't feel seen. I promise I will say I love you every time I walk out that door. I will make sure that I'll be the better version of myself every day for you and for our children.
It's right in front of me, beyond my wildest dreams.
I vow that when death does choose to take my hand, I will find it, I will hold you with my other. And I promise to find you in every lifetime. I love you.
Open eyes, open heart, another light, another star, right in front of me.
We've been together for 9 years, and I've seen the good and the bad. May mga araw na hindi talaga tayo kamahal-mahal. But I promise to be by your side. I promise to always respect you. I promise to take care of you. I promise to always listen. I promise to be always with you every step, mahal. Ako ang kakampi mo at kasangga mo sa lahat ng laban natin sa buhay.
It's right in front of me.
Thank you for giving me Rain and Kyle. Sabi nila, pumili ka na magiging tatay ng mga anak mo kasi di sila makakapili na magiging tatay nila. And I'm glad I chose you. I love you so much.
Beyond my wildest dreams. Open eyes, open heart, another light, another star.